everyone, I'm John.
I'm Rebecca.
And we are Good to Know. It's always good to know here.
That's right.
All right, what have we got here? This is nice. You bought this for me, didn't you?
I did.
All right.
I got a rechargeable table fan, so it's cordless to use. It has rechargeable batteries. It's quick and easy to recharge, and you can take this anywhere. So when you're at work, you can take it downstairs. You can take it up when you're working
out
in a
in the
specific
swamp,
area. You can. You can. If your
it's
air conditioner goes out in the van, you can use it. So let's come in for a close-up, and I'll explain all the details for
Okay.
you. And you can ask questions. This is a great little fan. The front comes off for easy cleaning, and the blades are transparent, so it's easy to see when you get a lot of gunk on the back side of those blades. And that's a big advantage because you don't want to be blowing allergens back into the room just because you're circulating some air. And it does have an easy on-off switch on the back, and it has 2 air speeds. And it'll run about 2 hours on full or 4 hours on the low speed. And it charges 7.5 hours according to the box. However, mine charged a lot faster than that. Mine charged in about 2.5 to 3 hours. Also, the USB plug-in is right back here, and it did come with a cord. We attached it to the fan itself so that we can make it more mobile. John's going to take this to work. So the battery compartment is right here, and it does come with both batteries. And it'll work without the batteries in it if you have it plugged in. And
lithium batteries.
Lithium batteries. And it won't overcharge. If you do leave the batteries in and you've got this plugged in, it just totally disconnects the battery power. It also has stoppers on the bottom. I don't know what you call these, clips, legs, feet, to keep it steady and from vibrating and scooting itself off of the surface that you have it on. So it makes for a very quiet operation. It also rotates 360 degrees. Let me take this off and show you. So you can angle it any way you want it. And it's so lightweight. Oh, look at that. It's well balanced. And it's so lightweight, guys, that it is so easy to carry around. You can carry it, with just one hand. This would be great in your laundry room, maybe in the garage when you're just doing a little something. You just need that extra ventilation. If you're using chemicals in the bathroom and you want that extra ventilation, pop open a window, turn the fan on because you don't have a plug. This is great. It's going to be used at John's job, but you could also plug it into your car charger and use it in the vehicle if you needed to. That way you could keep the inside of your vehicle cool in the summertime when you have to go run some errands, as long as you're not going to be gone too long. So this is a great little fan. It has a 1-year warranty, and Comlife stands behind all of their products. That's one reason that I buy so many items from them, is I love the guarantee, the warranty that they provide, and their customer service is outstanding. This particular model comes in different colors. I got the black one, and it does have a metal body to it. The cage, I guess, is metal. The fans are, the blades are plastic, but that's great because it makes them lightweight. And I mentioned before that you can take this cover off for easy cleaning. You can just pop this part in the dishwasher, and the blade just slides off. It looks like it just pops off. So this is just, you really can't get any easier than that. I love this thing. If I needed to, I guess I could put a bracket up on the wall, but I don't know why, because this is just so awesome to be able to carry around. You can ventilate your bathroom, your garage, sleep with it in the bedroom because it doesn't give that loud noise. So I'm sorry to say that this fan is going to work with John because I would like to keep it around the house because I'm selfish. And I can carry it to the laundry room with me or outside.
Yeah, and it's not even plugged in. I mean, that's the great, wireless.
Right.
So
it's very convenient. So if you're looking for a convenient fan, maybe you want one in multiple rooms, but you can't afford to buy a lot of fans. All you have to buy is one fan, and you can move it from room to room easily, guys. So I'm going to post a link below, or actually we, when I say we, I mean him, is going to post. Go to Amazon and check out all the details on this wonderful fan. I'm not disappointed in it, and I don't think you will be either.
What I'm doing, I'm just getting it to dry as much as I can. If you do this with paper towels, it kind of sticks everywhere. Rebecca had bought me a new cordless wireless fan here, and we're just having the fan blow on it and help dry it out a little bit. We're not going to be able to get it completely dried out because cabbage is made up of mostly water. If you enjoyed this, if there's anything else you would like to know after seeing this, just leave us a little comment down in the comment section. Everything that you need to know to where to find this, where to buy it, and all will be down in the show more. I'm John.
I'm Rebecca.
And we are
Good to Know.
Y'all just follow this coming along at the bottom. Check out our other cooking channel.
Check out our other reviews
too. We got a lot of reviews. As Rebecca said, this is a good company. They really innovative. They think about what you need and what you
it's
want.
got a 1-year warranty.
I
almost forgot to tell you guys that. They do stand behind their products. All their products have great warranties on them.
So we'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.